Welcome to the Manta installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install a Manta safely in your facility. First, remove the display foam. Next, apply gentle thumb pressure at the corner of the front door and open the Manta. Once the door is open, remove the 3 foam pieces inside, which are packed to protect the system during transportation. Now, remove the Manta tray. Inside the Manta, you'll find 2 securing screws, one on the right side and one on the left. Using the Allen key provided in the box, loosen the screws one at a time. It is important to note, while loosening the second screw, place one hand under the gantry to support it. This prevents the gantry from dropping suddenly. Next is the gantry homing step. Gently guide the gantry in its home position. Once aligned, place the Manta tray back inside the machine. Now install the antenna into its designated slot. And finally, move to the back of the Manta, plug in the power cord, connect it to a power outlet and switch it on. And that's it, your Manta is now installed and ready for setup.